Have had.
Have had.
I have a dog.
I have a dog.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have one.
Can I use it?
Sure, here you are.
Drink, drink.
Drink, drink.
She drinks water.
She drinks water.
What did you drink?
I drink coffee.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink it every day.
Go, went.
Go, went.
I go to school.
I go to school.
Where did you go?
I went to the park.
Did you have fun?
Yes, it was great.
See, saw.
See, saw.
I see a bird.
I see a bird.
What did you see?
I saw a new movie.
Was it good?
Yes, I liked it a lot.
Come, came.
Come, came.
He comes to my house.
He comes to my house.
When will you come?
I will come at 3.
Okay, see you then.
See you soon.
Eat, ate.
Eat, ate.
I eat a sandwich.
I eat a sandwich.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat pizza.
Let's order it now.
Great idea.
Sleep, slept.
Sleep, slept.
The baby sleeps now.
The baby sleeps now.
Did you sleep well?
No, I didn't.
What happened?
The noise was too loud.
Wake up, woke up.
Wake up, woke up.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7.
That's early.
Yes, for work.
Run, ran.
Run, ran.
I run in the park.
I run in the park.
Let's run a race.
No, I am too slow.
Don't worry.
Okay, let's try.
Walk, walked.
Walk, walked.
I walk to school.
I walk to school.
Did you walk here?
No, I came by bus.
It's too far to walk.
Yes, that's why.
Sit, sat.
Sit, sat.
Please sit here.
Please sit here.
Can I sit here?
Yes, this seat is free.
Thanks a lot.
You are welcome.
Stand, stood.
Stand, stood.
Please stand up.
Please stand up.
Why are you standing?
I am waiting for my friend.
Is he late?
Yes, a little.
Read, read.
Read, read.
I read a book.
I read a book.
What are you reading?
I am reading a comic book.
That looks fun.
It is very funny.
Write, wrote.
Write, wrote.
I write a letter.
I write a letter.
What are you writing?
I am writing an email
To whom?
to my teacher.
Sing, sang.
Sing, sang.
He sings a song.
He sings a song.
I love this song.
Do you want to sing?
Yes, let's sing together.
Okay, let's do it.
Dance, danced.
Dance, danced.
She dances well.
She dances well.
Can you dance?
No, I can't dance.
It is not hard.
I am too shy.
Play, played.
Play, played.
We play outside.
We play outside.
Do you want to play a game?
Yes, what game?
Let's play cards.
Okay. I love card games.
Listen, listened.
Listen, listened.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
What are you listening to?
I am listening to pop music.
I like pop music too.
Let's share some songs.
Talk, talked.
Talk, talked.
We talk a lot.
We talk a lot.
Who were you talking to?
I was talking to my mom
What about?
about my day at school.
Say, said.
Say, said.
He says hello.
He says hello.
What did he say?
He said he's tired.
Why is he tired?
He worked a lot today.
Tell, told.
Tell, told.
Tell me a story.
Tell me a story.
Can you tell me your name?
My name is Chris Marks.
Nice to meet you, Chris.
Nice to meet you too.
Ask, asked.
Ask, asked.
I ask a question.
I ask a question.
What did you ask him?
I asked him for help.
Did he help you?
Yes, he was very kind.
Buy, bought.
Buy, bought.
I buy new shoes.
I buy new shoes.
What did you buy?
I bought some new clothes.
Let me see them.
They are in the bag.
Sell, sold.
Sell, sold.
He sells old books.
He sells old books.
Do you sell coffee?
Yes, we do.
How much is it?
It's $3.
Open, opened.
Open, opened.
Please open the door.
Please open the door.
Can you open the window?
Yes, it's hot inside.
Thank you so much.
No problem at all.
Close, closed.
Close, closed.
He closes his eyes.
He closes his eyes.
Please close the door.
Okay, I will.
Why do you want it closed?
It's very cold.
Start, started.
Start, started.
The class starts at 9.
The class starts at 9.
When will the movie start?
It will start in 10 minutes.
Okay, let's find our seats.
Let's hurry.
Finish, finished.
Finish, finished.
I finish my work.
I finish my work.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it.
That was fast.
I wanted to go out.
Help, helped.
Help, helped.
I help my friend.
I help my friend.
Can you help me?
Yes, what is it?
I can't find my keys. Let's look together.
Want, wanted.
Want, wanted.
I want an apple.
I want an apple.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat a burger.
Let's go to the store.
Good idea.
Need, needed.
Need, needed.
I need some water.
I need some water.
Do you need any help?
No, I don't.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am fine.
Like, liked.
Like, liked.
I like this song.
I like this song.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like it very much.
Me too.
We should get one.
Love, loved.
Love, loved.
I love my family.
I love my family.
Do you love your new job?
Yes, I love it. That is great. I am so happy there.
Hate, hated.
Hate, hated.
I hate rainy days.
I hate rainy days.
Why do you hate rain?
It's too cold and wet.
I like it.
I guess we are different.
No, new.
No, new.
I know his name.
I know his name.
Do you know the answer?
No, I don't know it.
Let's ask the teacher. Good idea.
Think, thought.
Think, thought.
I think about him.
I think about him.
What are you thinking about?
I am thinking about dinner.
What should we eat?
I don't know yet.
Look, looked.
Look, looked.
Look at the picture.
Look at the picture.
Why are you looking at me?
I am looking at your shoes.
Do you like them?
Yes, they are cool.
Find, found.
Find, found.
I find my keys.
I find my keys.
Can you find my phone?
No, I can't find it.
Where did you leave it?
I don't remember.
Get, got.
Get, got.
I get a present.
I get a present.
Did you get the email?
Yes, I got it.
What does it say?
It's about the meeting.
Give, gave.
Give, gave.
I give her a book.
I give her a book.
Can you give me the ball?
Yes, here you go.
Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Take, took.
Take, took.
I take a picture.
I take a picture.
Can I take this book?
Yes, you can take it.
Thanks, I will return it.
Okay. No rush.
Bring, brought.
Bring, brought.
Bring me a glass.
Bring me a glass.
Did you bring your coat?
No, I forgot it.
It's cold outside.
I know, it's a mistake.
Put, put.
Put, put.
Put the book on the table.
Put the book on the table.
Where did you put my keys?
I put them on the table.
Oh, I see them now.
Great.